That is a rational thing to think. You looping back! You sent me a sample of the unironic Findom alerts. What the actual fuck? This is horrifying. This is horrifying. I'm gonna need you to bend over so I can spank you. What? Wow! What the fuck was the context for that? Why did I say that? Give me millions of dollars so that I can create a cuck empire. That one sounds more reasonable. This is all you. I am just as confused as you guys are. Yeah, forgive me, Daddy. I've been a bad girl. What even is my content anymore, man? What the fuck? Grip
Sorry
me
to
with
hear
your
about your
brawny
blissy
hands harder, hot stuff. I was just being a refrigerator there. That one's normal. I'm gonna play that again though. Grip me with your brawny hands harder, hot stuff. I love hands. You hit resonance level 40. Thank you. Thank you. Oh my god, this is what happens when the Kirsche gets wet by midnight. In what way? Being a refrigerator is being normal. Yeah, didn't you guys play Atomic Heart? Sorry. Wait a minute, hold on. I have a tab for that. I have a tab about gay duck necrophiliac sex.
For Madam Kirsche.
I'm not a madam! Thank you for the $25, 50 tons of cheese. The forgive me, Daddy, you think was from Class of 09, where they say something like, you'll forgive me, Father, for I have sinned, but don't call him Daddy? Oh, okay, alright. I got an ass you can eat, baby. Oh. What the fuck was that noise at the end? Baby. That's just like a, whoa. Kirsche, you are a cartoon! I am. Truly. The honk at the end makes it better. It does. The honk makes it better. Kneel at my feet. You're just too fucking poor to be allowed to live. Nim said this is about 10% of the clips. A whole 10%. Surely there's even more. What the fuck? This is when we found out Asmon's a cuck chair enjoyer. Oh no. Don't bring up the cuck chair. Don't make me sad. What a great time for a daily reminder that foot fungus and jock itch are caused by the same fungus. So think twice about those foot jobs. Nah.